In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link checklist items from multiple cards to a single card in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. The first step is preparing your board. Open your Trello board and ensure that you have a destination list ready. This should be named exactly Master Checklists. It's crucial that the spelling is spot on, as Trello is quite particular about that. Now, check that the cards you want to track each contain a checklist named Sum. Again, it's very important that the spelling matches perfectly because we'll be using this checklist name for the automation, and if there's any deviation, it won't work. With the board set up, we can move on to creating the trigger. Look up at the top menu of your board. There you'll find the automation option. Click on it. A drop-down will appear. Select Rules from this menu. Next, click on the button that says Create Rule to begin setting up your automation. Now it's time to add our trigger. Click on the Add Trigger button, and you'll see a list of options to choose from. Here, you want to select the one that says When an item is added to checklist. Simply type Sum into the checklist name field so that we are targeting that specific checklist we previously mentioned. This is a critical step because it defines when our automation will kick into gear. Next, we want to make sure that the trigger only kicks in when you're the one making the change. So, click Add Condition and select the option that says By Me. This means the automation will only activate when you personally add items to that checklist. It helps keep your board organized and prevents notifications from other team members' edits from cluttering your view. Now, we want to define the action that will happen once that trigger is activated. Click Add Action and select the option that says Move the Card. This is where the magic happens. Choose the action that states Move the card to the top of list. This ensures that whenever you add to your checklist, the card will be moved immediately to the top of your master checklists so that it's always easy to find. As a final step in this process, you'll need to select Master Checklists as your target list. Take a moment now to review the summary of what you just set up. Check to ensure that everything reads correctly. This is to confirm that all your conditions and actions are exactly as you intended. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, go ahead and click Save. And there you have it. You now know how to link checklist items from multiple cards to a single card in Trello effectively. With this setup, you can track all your tasks and updates in one centralized location without the hassle of jumping between different cards. Be sure to use this feature to its fullest and streamline your project management like a pro. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.